In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play multiplayer in Tekken 6 PlayStation 3. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Tekken 6 is available for PSP and PlayStation 3. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about the PlayStation 3 version and how you can do multiplayer. So in this game, you will have local multiplayer and also online. So all that you have to do is choose the appropriate mode that you want to play. So if you want to play against other people or other opponents online, go over to online mode. You will also have online co-op available in the scenario campaign, so choose whichever option you prefer. All of these will be done through online functionalities. So when you choose either of these, you will see more instructions about them. If you selected online mode, then this is what you are going to see. Now you will be able to choose the type of match that you want to play. So inside of online mode, you will have ranked match, player match, and other options related to confirming invitations, data upload, download, and leaderboards. If all you want to do is play, then choose one of these two options here, ranked match or player match. Ranked match will affect your official ranking, so keep that in mind. There are consequences for losing. And when you choose any of these, you can choose the search priority according to the rank or ping, change the area, enable or disable voice chat, and start the match. Once you choose start match, matchmaking will begin right after you select your character, and you will load into the match against your opponent automatically. So after you get into a queue, you just have to wait. There is no need for additional input, and once an opponent is found, you will be matchmaked and you will be ready to play. If you want to do local multiplayer, then choose offline mode, connect an additional controller, and enjoy. Now, before I end this video, if it helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. If you subscribe, you can help us from the channel bring you higher quality videos and videos about Tekken and other games. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.